The film Ponniyin Selvan is a rendition of a well-known historical novel of the same name by Kalki Krishnamurti. The conflict between the Pandyas and the Chola rulers is the subject of the film. Yet, who were the Pandyas and Cholas? Do you realize how significant the Chola, Pandya, and Chera dynasties were in Indian history? These dynasties were active throughout what is now known as India's Sangam era. The Sangam age in South India spans from the 3rd century BCE to the 3rd century CE. In this video, we will explore the fascinating history of the Sangam age, where trade and commerce blossomed as the Tamil people engaged in maritime trade with countries like Rome, Egypt, and China. Urban centers like Madurai and Kanchipuram became bustling hubs of commerce and culture. How was the trade during the Sangam era? During the Sangam era, trade and commerce played a vital role in the prosperity of the Tamil people. The coastal regions of Tamil Nadu were abuzz with maritime trade, connecting Tamil merchants with foreign lands. The Tamil traders were renowned for their exports of spices, textiles, and precious gems. In return, they imported valuable goods and knowledge from distant lands, enriching their own culture and economy. The Sangam age society was predominantly agrarian, with agriculture being the backbone of its economy. The Chera, Chola, and Pandya dynasties were the major political powers during this time, vying for supremacy and promoting trade and cultural exchange. The Cheras, with their strong trade relations with the Romans, were significant traders and patrons of the arts. The Cholas, under King Karikalan's rule, furthered trade and commerce, while the Pandyas, centered in Madurai, supported the literary academies and preserved the Sangam poems. What was the social structure during the Sangam era? The Sangam age was marked by a well-structured social system, dividing society into 5 distinct categories. The rulers and warriors protected the land, the priests and scholars guided society, the farmers and traders sustained the economy, the laborers contributed to various crafts, and the outcasts had their roles, albeit marginalized. Now, let's look into the literature of the Sangam era. How epic were they? The Sangam age was a golden era for Tamil literature and scholarship. Sangam literature is among the earliest samples of Dravidian literature. This collection of literary works originated from 3 historical gatherings, known as the Sangams. These Sangams, also known as Muchangam, were assemblies of Tamil poets that took place in ancient South India. The first Sangam, believed to have taken place in Madurai, was attended by gods and legendary sages, but no known works have survived. The second Sangam occurred in Kapadapuram, with only the Tolkappiyam surviving. The third Sangam, also in Madurai, has left behind a few surviving pieces of Tamil literature. Sangam literature encompasses works like Tolkappiyam, Ettuprogi, Patuppat, and Padininkilkanakku, along with 2 notable epics, Silapathikkaram and Manimegalai. Among these works, the epic poem Silapathikkaram, written by Ilango Adigal, stands as a timeless masterpiece, providing insights into society's ethos. The Sangam age was a remarkable period in the history of Tamil Nadu, where literature, trade, and culture flourished harmoniously. The surviving literary works from this era offer us valuable insights into the lives of our ancestors, their social structures, and their cultural practices. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the UnacademyX channel and press the bell icon. If you want to learn more about the Sangam age and the different kingdoms of the time, download the UnacademyX app.